Release the hounds, the chase is underway. Today we bag a different kind of prey. Hear the bugle call, we're feasting on a load today. If you're highborn and well mustachioed, you may expect a gutting in the road. Hear the bugle call, are you the next to fall to quench the killer's sword today? We're feasting on a lord today. It seems in England we have two laws, one for the rich, another for the poor. But if your bobbies come a-knocking at our doors, you best prepare to get a knock on yours. A hooded guest you'll greet in your salon, a silver tray to serve your carcass on. Uncork the Beaujolais and watch the scarlet spray. We'll guzzle and we'll gorge today. We're feasting on a lord today.